What are we making?
Carrot.
Cauliflower
Turmeric.
soup. So because of the cold weather, we have decided to show you a recipe that we found on Sanitarium website. They've got some great recipes there for the family. It's a carrot, cauliflower and turmeric soup. It sounds exotic, and it is, and it tastes creamy and delicious, and we are going to tell you exactly how to make it. It's very easy. So you just roughly chop all the veggies so it doesn't take too long to do. And we are going to start with frying them off with a little bit of oil. What oil are we using?
My name oil.
Your name, and what is it?
Olive.
Olive oil. We'll just throw the onions in. We'll throw the garlic in. Garlic.
I'm gonna throw it in.
Okay. And then we just throw in the veggies. So we've got celery and carrot. This is so nutritious, and cauliflower. I love cauliflower in winter.
Milk.
That will go in last. So after that, once we fry off the veggies a bit, and once they're softened or tender, then we'll add the herbs and the spices, and then a little bit of almond milk, actually a lot of almond milk, and we'll cook it through. So the vegetables have softened up now. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. We've just been frying it, and every few minutes I just keep stirring them around so they can brown just a touch. So what we have here is turmeric, salt and nutmeg, okay? And we're gonna throw that in, and we are gonna stir it through and cook it for about, I don't know, a minute, if that. Wow, that is smelling really good. That is awesome.
Now the milk.
Okay, and now the milk. So we're using just almond milk because it's thinner, it's more watery, and you can simmer the vegetables on a low heat with it and it won't curdle. So we're just gonna do what Sanitarium says to do, aren't we? Yes, we're gonna do it like that. This time we're not adding much to this recipe or changing it. Okay. Yep, we'll put in the other one. So that'll be around 4 cups there. So there we go. And then, yeah, look at that. It's looking yellow.
And also at the end, if your kids ever find it too hot, you could put in a little bit of soy milk or almond.
Yes, that's what we do, don't we, when we have our soup? Okay,
Yeah.
So now we're going to put the lid on, and we are going to be back in about 30 minutes. We're going to let it simmer on low heat, and we're going to come back and blend it and see what it looks like. We have let it simmer for 30 minutes, and now the vegetables are very soft and very tender now, and we are ready to blend. There's going to be a bit of a mess happening. Whoa, I don't want to ruin my pot. So I blended it, and then I had to swap the pot. I needed a deeper pot because the pot I had wasn't so deep, and I got dirty, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like after we've blended. Oh, that looks amazing, yay. I love soup in winter. It is my favourite, and we have some delicious little seeds to put on top here. These seeds have got chilli on them. Now for the kids, I wouldn't be putting the chilli seeds. Bit of celery leaves. Yum, oh, look at that. And we've got some cream there, or coconut cream on top. That will make it awesome. If you want some more recipes, go to our website, mumsathetable.com. Follow us on Facebook or on YouTube, and come and see all the recipes. We've got lots of them, 4 years worth. We'll see you next time with some more recipes.